Hi, I'm Paddy, and this is how to check and top up your engine oil. Let's get into it. Engine oil keeps everything moving freely, reduces friction, and helps the engine stay cool. Too little oil can cause overheating and wear. Too much oil can put pressure on the seals and cause leaks. Start by making sure your car is on level ground and the engine's cool. Wait 10 to 15 minutes after driving, then pop the bonnet. Now find the dipstick, which is usually a yellow or orange coloured handle. Pull it out, wipe it clean, pop it back in, then pull it out again to check the level. You want the oil sitting close to the full mark, but not over it. Take a look at the colour too. A light honey colour means it's fresh. If it's black and dirty, it might be time to change it. And if it looks milky, water's mixed in, and that's not a good thing. That's a job for a mechanic. If the oil level is low, unscrew the oil filler cap, place in a funnel and slowly add oil. Start with around 200ml. Wait a moment, then check again with the dipstick. Top up as needed in small amounts. When you're done, screw the cap back on, make sure everything's secure and close the bonnet. And there you have it. Keeping an eye on your oil level only takes just a few minutes, but can save you a heap of trouble in the long run. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.